Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a fingerless glove. For this you need a yarn, a crochet hook of 4 mm, a darning needle and a stitch marker. First of all we are going to make a slip knot, and for that you might have different techniques, but this is how I do the slip knot. So first wrap around the end of the yarn like this over my index finger and pull it towards your self. Now insert the hook through the loop and fasten it. This is how I wrap around the remaining yarn so that the tension is created, and hold the other end of the yarn also with the same left hand side of my hand so that that particular tension is created. Once that is done, I do the foundation chain, and the foundation chain has to be done to the desired length, whatever you need for the glove to be. So here I am showing you this is the length that I require for my glove, so you can do it as much as you want for your hand. Now once that is done, we are going to do our first row, and for that we will skip first 2 stitches. We have to skip the first 2 stitches and make a half double crochet onto the third stitch. Your half double crochet is yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Keep on doing the half double crochet throughout this row and meet me after you have completed the first row. Once the row 1 is done, you're going to make 2 chains and you're going to flip your work. So chain 1, chain 2, and you're going to flip your work. Once you have flipped your work, what you're going to do is a double crochet for row 2. Again, you will be skipping the first 2 chains and then doing double crochet, but one thing you have to keep in mind is do the double crochet on the back loop. So we have 2 loops, front and back, and you're going to do double crochet to the back loop. So yarn over to the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Keep on doing back loop double crochet throughout the row 2 and meet me after you do the whole row. Once you have completed the whole row, just make sure that the last stitch in row 2, you are not going to do a back loop double crochet, but you are going to do a normal double crochet. That means you're going to yarn over, pull through both the loops, not just the back loop. You are going to pull through both the loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And again we are going to do double chains. That means chain 1 and chain 2, and we are going to flip our work like before. And now we are going to work on the row 3. The row 3 is half double crochet but in the back loop. So you're going to skip the first 2 chains like before, and you're going to do half double crochet but in the back loop. So yarn over, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 3. That is half double crochet. Again, yarn over, pull through the back loop, and yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Yes, this is our completed row 3. Again, making sure that the last stitch would not be into the back loop, rather it will be a normal half double crochet through both the loops. Okay, again we are going to do chain 2, chain 1, chain 2, and we are going to flip our work. Now this is row 4, and the row 4 will be a double crochet into the back loop. So yarn over, through, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again we are going to keep on doing it. Yarn over, pull through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Our row 4 is also completed. Now so far we have done a half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. We are going to keep on doing this alternatively till we reach a desired length of fabric. And what is the desired length? It should wrap around our hand, our palm, to make a glove around it. So this for me was the desired length. I will show you how it wraps around my hand. So you have to make sure whomever you're making it for, it should wrap around their hand like this. So this should be your desired length. It should reach around your hand, your palm, wherever you're going to use that glove for. Now once you reach a desired length, you're going to fasten it by doing one chain. After that, leave 2 to 3 inches of yarn and cut the yarn. So you need a longer end of the yarn because we are going to use it to stitch it all together. Put the end of the yarn through a darning needle, and we are going to keep the other end over this both folded areas. Now we are going to stitch both the ends together to make basically a cylinder. So we are going to stitch both the ends together like we normally stitch anything. It's so easy. Just make sure that you are stitching through the first foundation chains of both the ends. Once you have stitched quite a bit of length, first you have to do is you have to insert your hand through the stitched area. This we are going to do just to get an idea where our thumb starts, or where we have to leave space for our thumb to come out of that glove. So we are going to insert our hand and we are going to check from which particular position in that glove our thumb is going to start. And we have to pinch that particular position, remove our hand, and mark that portion where our thumb is starting with a stitch marker. And now we are only going to stitch till that point. So once you stitch till that point, you have to stop. Once you have reached the stitch marker, remove the stitch marker and stitch through that loop in which the stitch marker was present. Again, put your hand through this glove. Now, what you're going to measure is where your thumb ends. Earlier, we had measured where our thumb is starting, but now we are going to measure where our thumb is going to end. Pinch that particular area, remove your hand, and put the stitch marker on. Now, this particular area, this particular distance, we don't have to stitch both the fabrics together. Rather, we are only going to stitch one side of it. And while stitching one side, make sure that in a loop there are two yarns going together, and we are going to insert only through one side, preferably on the right hand side of the loop. This will just camouflage your stitch into that foundation stitch that we had done earlier. Once you reach the stitch marker, again remove the stitch marker and fasten both the loops, both the sides this time. So this is the end of where your thumb ends. So now till the end of both the fabrics, you are going to fasten it both together, making a cylinder. So make sure that now you basically have a cylinder with just a small gap through which our thumb is going to come out. So it's that easy. keep on doing it till the end. Just for the last stitch, bring the needle through the loop for the last one. This just makes a, what do you say, a knot to secure it in the end. The last ends of the yarn you are going to insert through the stitches that you had done before itself, so that the yarn does not remain outside and it remains properly tucked in inside. One thing you have to understand, that this is the back side of the glove, so you are going to flip it, like bring the good side outside, because the stitches will be visible. Once you do this flipping thing, the stitches won't be visible and it will be looking quite flawless. Now our uh, fingerless glove is ready. You can insert your hand and see whether it is fitting your hand according to your liking. This is our fingerless glove. I hope you liked my video. I hope you understood the tutorial. I will keep on posting if I get proper uh, encouragement. So, for that, just like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be keeping on posting different tutorials for you all. So, thank you. Bye bye.